Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Rainbow Fairyland, there lived a little princess named Lily. She wore sparkling dresses that shimmered like dewdrops in the morning sun, and her golden curls cascaded down her shoulders like ribbons of sunshine. But what made Princess Lily truly special was her kindness. Princess Lily lived in a grand castle surrounded by vibrant gardens filled with flowers of every color imaginable. Birds chirped cheerful tunes, and butterflies danced around in an endless ballet. Yet, despite all the beauty around her, Princess Lily yearned for an adventure beyond the castle walls. One sunny afternoon, as Lily played in the garden, she heard a gentle whisper carried by the breeze. "Princess Lily," it said, "follow the rainbow path to find a land where dreams come true." With her heart pounding with excitement, Lily followed the shimmering rainbow that arched across the blue sky. She skipped and twirled, guided by the rainbow's colors, until she reached the enchanted glade. While there, she met Sparkle, the rainbow fairy. Sparkle was no ordinary fairy. Her wings were made of the finest gossamer and glittered with all the colors of the rainbow. "Hello, Princess Lily," Sparkle sang with a voice as sweet as honey. "Welcome to our land of wonder. I'm here to guide you on a magical adventure that will unlock the secrets of Rainbow Fairyland." Lily clapped her hands with delight and curtsied to the delightful fairy. And so, Sparkle took Lily's hand, and together they flew through the air, their laughter echoing through the fairyland. They danced with pixies in the fields of flowers, played tag with the giggling gnomes, and surfed on sunbeams with cheerful elves. As they traveled, Sparkle revealed the magic of friendship and compassion in each of the magical lands they visited. Whenever they met a creature who was sad or in need, Princess Lily's kindness would always find a way to bring a smile to their faces. In the land of whispering seasons, the leaves were losing their colors because the squirrel villagers had stopped working together. With a heart full of empathy, Princess Lily helped them remember the joy of cooperation, and soon, the trees were bursting with vibrant hues once more. Next, they arrived at the melodious valley, where the songbird melodies had faded. Lily used her sweetest voice and the joy Sparkle had shared to restore the harmony, teaching all creatures to sing with happiness and courage, no matter how small they might feel. At the end of their adventure, Sparkle brought Lily to the heart of Rainbow Fairyland, a place where the essence of all kindness and courage glowed like the brightest star. "Princess Lily," said Sparkle, "you have shown unparalleled beauty in your kindness and bravery. But now, it is time for you to return to your kingdom." Though she was sad to say goodbye, Princess Lily knew her heart was full of new powers. She understood that every day could hold a piece of magic if she continued to sprinkle kindness wherever she went. Lily thanked Sparkle for the wonderful adventure and promised to cherish the memories forever. As she skipped back along the rainbow, the colors brightened with every step, lighting up the entire kingdom. And from that day forward, Princess Lily remained kind and hopeful, sharing the magic of Rainbow Fairyland and its wondrous lessons with everyone she met. And so, Rainbow Fairyland became a little brighter because of one little princess's great, big heart. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories.